All right, this is going to be a quick recap of an OB1 trade that I took with my free members a few weeks ago. So let me get right into it and show you exactly how I was able to find it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to pull out the rectangle. You want to wait for the first 5 minutes of market open to form, whether that's trading New York session or Asia open or even Asia pre-market. That's the beauty about this strategy is that it works on all sessions and it has a dedicated time where you can trade, okay? And that's what I like about this strategy. So once you have that first 5 minutes marked out, you want to make sure you're excluding the wicks. As you can see, I didn't include any of the wicks inside the range. And you might be thinking, why am I stopping at the 604 candle? Well, that's because once that candle closes, that concludes the 5 minute range because it closes at 4:59 and then that concludes the 5 minutes. So then once you have that range marked out, you want to wait for a breakout. And now this is where my checklist comes into play because normally we wouldn't enter in a breakout like that, but since it aligns with all of our confluences and our entry criteria that I have listed in the checklist, comment NM if you want that completely for free. You want to enter in a long position right after that candle closes. You want to make sure the candle closes because I see a lot of times whenever people try to pre-fire an entry or get a better entry, it's looking like it's going to be a strong close and it instantly reverses back into the range. So that's what you want to avoid. You can avoid that by waiting till that candle closes. So then once you have confirmed your breakout entry criteria, you just let it play out and you target a 1-to-1, putting your stop right below the 50% of the range. And yeah, and you just let it play out. As you can see, we hit literally exactly a 1-to-1. That's why I perfected this strategy in this bracket because you could see we hit stop loss right after we hit take profit. So if you want to get in on more trades like this, I go live every single Asia session. Just comment NM and I'll send you a link to join, and as well as my free PDF guide checklist if you want that too. So just comment NM. I hope to see you there.